Name is Dustin. I'm a 3D designer here at Power Pack Conveyor Company. As far as how does Power Pack enable me, I think just being here, learning what I can, and the team that we have around us. I enjoy working at Power Pack because it's a small company and it feels like a small company, and a lot of times that's a bad thing, but I disagree. I think it's a good thing. I know everyone's name here, I know everyone's capabilities. I just not a big company with 1,000 people, and I don't know who's doing what or where they are. Or, I think everyone here brings something to the table, and I think that's a good thing. Communication, I think, is vital. There's no specific examples other than just every project we do. Sales, they go out, they create the connection with the customer, they get the PO. In the process of getting the PO, they get a lot of information. They pass that information off to estimation. They sometimes talk to the customer, get even more information, then that information is passed off to us. And I think just everything here is very close-knit. We have constant communication with sales and estimation, and even downstream too, there's constant collaboration and communication between engineering and the floor. We've been around for, it's coming up on 97 years, I believe, and we have a lot of experience. We have a lot of product out there in in customers' facilities that have been running for 20, 30, 40, 50 years. And not too long ago, we just got back a conveyor that I believe was shipped out in the 60s, and they wanted us to replace the motor on it, get a new belt for it, and get it running again.